Hello everybody. Today we are doing a seafood bowl and we are doing it with noodles. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a like and a thumbs up. These are very easy, delicious recipes and videos. We already started out with our broth, our noodles, onions, our boiled egg, and our lemons. Let's go ahead and finish up. We're going to go ahead and put in our green onions, spears, and we're going to add our mushroom. This is something that I did not tell you at the beginning. I was drying them out. And then we're going to add our ginger. And next we're going to add our potatoes. And next we're going to add in our crab meat. You can choose fresh crab meat if you like, but I use the invitation crab meat. And next, we're going to add in our curry paste. Okay, now that we add in our curry paste, we're going to start adding in like our soy sauce. We're going to mix this all up, so no worries. And we're going to do our fish sauce. I'm going to save the best seasoning for last, okay?